All right, I look crazy right now, but I am about to get ready to go to the gym, and my TLF package came in time, and I already opened it because I was excited, but I'm gonna go through and review everything that I got, okay? Okay, so these are the Cosmic Seamless Leggings in Ultraviolet. This material is amazing, so cute, okay. This Tempo Glow Workout Sports Bra 2.0 in the color Mint. Okay, this is super cute. All right, so this is my first time getting this sports bra. I've already had these leggings before, which they are amazing. The sports bra is super cute too. I love the cut of it. The only thing is that it is a small, and I am normally a small in everything, but I don't know, maybe it's because I don't know. So I just started doing a bulk, so maybe that's why this feels a little bit tighter than other smalls from them that I've gotten. But I think I'm gonna keep it because you know how these sports bras, like sometimes this band will be super tight and it'll be giving you like a little roll. This actually is not doing that. Like it's tight, but it's not too tight. So I actually think I'm gonna keep it because if I got a medium, I have no boobs, so this would just be a lot of fabric up here anyway, and it might look a little, so yeah, I'm gonna keep it. I love this color combo though, super cute. I went with a lot of colors this time because I'm just feeling colors lately. All right, so I also got the same exact sports bra, the Tempo Glow 2.0 in pink. So I will put this on. Cute. I love all this color right now. I'm normally into like neutrals and grays and stuff like that, but I really am enjoying color lately. But yeah, super cute. Y'all, these are like the best leggings ever because they do have a scrunch, but it's not like a really obnoxious scrunch, you know what I mean? So this is what they look like. Super cute. All right, I'm gonna show you what else I got. So the rest of my package is like fleece, sweaters, not sweaters, sweatshirts, and jackets because it is November and it is cold. So I wasn't sure about this cropped hoodie when I saw it online. So, okay, this material is really thick. Like it feels like really high quality material. So this is the Reset Fleece cropped zip up hoodie in light heather gray. Ooh. Okay, yeah. This is cute. I wasn't sure about this because it is oversized and cropped, and I didn't know how I feel about that, but I've been into oversized everything lately, except for like my actual workout sets. But yeah, this is super cute. Oh, so you have this drawstring where you can kind of cinch the back. That's super cute. And this material is really comfortable, really thick. I actually am probably gonna get this in more colors because that's how much I like it. And then they have their cute embroidered logo, very minimal, which I love. So to keep this cinched, I will probably pull it as tight as I want. And then make a little knot that I can untie, of course. So not too tight. That way it's just kind of like holding that cinch. I don't think I'm gonna tie it like this. So it'll probably just be like that. Super cute though, super comfortable. I got this in a size small and I love it. I'm gonna get this in more colors for sure. Chill sweatpants in white. These are cute. So sometimes sweatpants are hit or miss for me because sometimes the cuff can be awkward or they can be like too oversized for me. Okay, I like the drawstring. I like that it's all connected. Okay. Wait, these are cute. Oh, and then these zip, the pockets zip too. I feel like they're like perfectly cinched in the waist and then like the perfect amount of bagginess like in the hip butt area. And then the cuff is cool too. Yeah, I like these a lot. The cuff isn't like too much, but then there's not like, they're not like too baggy at the bottom. I don't like it when they're too baggy at the bottom, personally. Yeah, but these are perfect. Very cute. And then I do like the pocket in the back, and I really like the zipper pockets too. Okay, so these are great. They're still very flattering, even though they're oversized. And then I got this cosmic oversized fleece hoodie. So this is really cute. Like you can't even see this. This monochromatic logo. This is really oversized. Okay. This is cute. Whoa, this is like really oversized. Okay, but I love it though. It's like really, really long, but these oversized hoodies anyway normally tuck in the back and then they will normally fall like a regular length and then they just will kind of drape in the front like this. And I like it. It's super cozy. And this set actually doesn't go together. So these sweatpants actually go with this hoodie. So I'm probably going to get this hoodie in white too, so I can match these. And I'm gonna get more colors in this anyway. So if they have more sweatpants to match, I will get those also. Very cute though, I love it. All right, so they are having a sale. I love how I was getting ready to go to the gym. Now I'm fully dressed to go work out. Now this is perfect. So I'm gonna wear the same exact thing when I go work out, because yeah, I have leggings on. Super cute. So if you like this video and you want to see more reviews on activewear and supplements and stuff that I use, subscribe to my channel and make sure you like this video. Thanks for watching.